So first of all, Cyrus and Darius pray for the areas of California and Los Angeles that have been affected by the wildfires, and Cyrus prays that God will keep them all safe. And then Cyrus and Darius are going to do something crazy, and they are going to test their senses, reflexes and teamwork. And they have 5 challenges in which they cannot use any of their existing body parts. And then in the first challenge there are no legs and no arms, and in this challenge Cyrus and Darius cannot use their arms and legs, and in the challenge Cyrus and Darius arms and legs are tied. Then in this challenge Cyrus and Darius crawl like snakes and try to get close to the balloons, and Cyrus comes close to the balloon, and Cyrus tries to burst the balloon, and Darius is also near the balloon, and Darius is also trying to burst the balloon, which is difficult task without arms and legs. But still Cyrus and Darius are trying hard, and finally Cyrus succeeds in bursting the balloon, and then Darius also bursts the balloon, and both are very tight. Then they come to the next challenge in which both arms are missing, and in this challenge Cyrus and Darius have a volleyball, and they have to put this volleyball into the goal without using their arms. Then Cyrus and Darius somehow get the ball stuck in the middle, and Cyrus and Darius are trying to take the ball to the goal in the house by taking the same steps, which seems to be a very difficult task, but Cyrus and Darius complete this task too, and apparently Cyrus and Darius are very happy. Then they come to the next challenge, and in this challenge they have to move with one leg, and Lucas and Marcus are going to assist them in this challenge. And they have a jump rope, and they have to jump 20 times with one leg, and Cyrus can only jump once, and while Darius fails in this challenge, and after falling Darius has to sleep outside on the ice without a shirt for 10 seconds, and Darius' back is frozen. And then they come to the next challenge, and in it the eyes are missing, and Cyrus puts a blindfold on his eyes, and then Cyrus holds the spoon in his mouth, and an egg is placed in the spoon, and he has to put the egg in the cup blindfolded. And Darius is helping Cyrus in this challenge, and Cyrus is stepping up when Darius speaks, and Cyrus is blindfolded, and Cyrus is not seeing anything, and this task is very difficult for Cyrus, but Darius is helping Cyrus to complete this challenge. And then finally Cyrus is successful in putting the egg in the cup.